everybody, this is Jared at Escape Adventures. Today I want to show you some video footage of a beautiful lake that traverses both the California border and the Nevada border, and that is Lake Tahoe. Our High Sierra mountain bike tour is something not to be missed. Incredible riding right in Lake Tahoe, Nevada State Park, as well as up in the Downeyville area. The Sierra Nevadas are just absolutely tranquil to visit, and I hope you enjoy this video footage as we do guiding in this area. Thanks for joining us. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video footage as I did filming it. And I hope to have you out on a trip someday. And remember, live your dreams, don't dream your life. Thanks for joining us.